Hello my dear students, this is Pushpa Varadarajan. In this video, you are going to learn about square and square root. Now, if you multiply 2 by itself, that can be written as 2 square. The value of 2 square is 4. If you multiply 3 into 3, that can be written as 3 square is equal to 9. And 1 square is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 4 square is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 5 into 5 is 25. 6 square is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 7 into 7 is equal to 49. And like this it continues. Now these numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 are called perfect squares. These numbers are perfect squares or square numbers. Square numbers. Now, in the other side, you are going to learn about square root, and this is the symbol for square root. Square root means power half. Power half. Square means here square means power. Square means power 2. Square root means power half. If you write square root of 4 or 4 to the power of half, this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 4 can be written as 2 into 2, that is square root of 4. Square root of 4 can be written as 2 into 2, that is 2. That means in the square root we are writing, instead of 2 factors, we are writing 1 factor. Now square root of 9. This is 9 to the power of half. Here instead of 2 factors, we are writing 1 factor. And square root of 16, that is 16 to the power of half, that is 4 into 4. Instead of 2 factors, we are writing 1 factor, that is square root of 100. 100 to the power of half is equal to 10 into 10. That is, instead of 2 factors, we are writing 1 factor. Now, related to this, we are going to learn something more from the PowerPoint presentation. Squaring a number. To find the square of a number, we need to multiply the number by itself. For example, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, square of 5 is 5 multiplied by 5 is 5 into 5. 5 square is 25. Square of 9, that is 9 square is 9 into 9, 81. And square of 15, 15 into 15 is 225. Square of 10, 10 into 10 is 100. Square of 11, 11 into 11 is 121. Square of 20 is 20 into 20, 400. Square of 25, that is 25 into 25 is 625. Square means power 2. Now here it's given square of numbers from 1 to 30. That is 29 square is 841 and 30 square is 900. And if you observe the pattern, that is the number which is ending with that is the number which is there in the units place. Now using this, we are going to learn some of the properties. Properties of a square number. If a number 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in the units place. then it may or may not be a square number. If a number has 2, 3, 7 or 8 in its units place, then it is not a square number. That is, the number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 is never a perfect square. If a number has 1 or 9 in units place, then its square ends in 1. If a number ends in 6, the number whose square it is will have either 4 or 6 in its units place. Now there is a method to find the square root of a larger number. That is, first divide the given number into its prime factors. Then form the pair of similar factors such that both factors in each pair are equal. Take one factor from the pair and then find the product of the factors obtained by taking one factor from each pair. This square root has many applications in the higher class. Square root is an important section of mathematics that deals with many practical applications of mathematics. It also has its application in other fields such as computing. Some of the applications are quadratic equation, algebra, geometry and calculus. Now we are going to solve few sums from the exercise related to finding the square root of numbers. Now we are going to solve few sums from the exercise, and one of the sum is 1764. 1764. Now find the prime factors of this number by a prime factorization method. 1764 is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16. Again it is 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. If you cannot divide it directly, you can divide in the working column and find out. 2 8s are 16 and again 2 8s are 16 and then 2 2s are 4. Now again it is 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. To check whether your answer is correct or not, multiply 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 4s are 8 and it is 2 4s are 8. Now this is not divisible by 2. Why? Because the number is ending with 1, not with 2 4 6 8 and 0. Therefore next prime number is 3. And we will find out whether it is divisible by 3 or not in the working column. 3 1s are 3 and then 3 4s are 12, that is 2 and 3 7s are, that is 2 into 147 is 441 and again it is divisible by 3, it is 3 and then again 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are. The next is 7 7s are 49. Therefore, square root of 14764 is, that is 2 into 2, 3 into 3 and 7 into 7. That is 2 into 3 into 7 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. First, you have to find out all the factors of that number, given number. Then you will write, make the pairs, and instead of 2 pairs, we are writing 1 pair and multiply all the pair numbers. Now the next number which is there on the board is 5929. Now since this number is ending with 9, it is not divisible by 2. Now then I will to find out whether it is divisible by 3, you have to add all the numbers. 5 plus 9, that is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, that is it is not divisible by 3. Then it is not divisible by 5 also, because it is not ending with 0 and 5. Therefore the next number is 7, that is 7 8s are 56, and 7 and 56, 3 7 4s are 30, 7 4s are, then again it is 7 7s are. That is, if you don't know, you can multiply in the working column. That is 7 8s are 56, 9 minus 6 is 3, 7 4s are 28, and then 4, that is 7 7s are 49. Now again it is divisible by 7, 7 1s are, and then 7 2s are, and 7 1s are, and it is not divisible by 7. Then next prime number is 11. 11 into 11 is 121. Therefore square root of 5929 is 7 into 7 and 11 into 11. Instead of 2 factors, we are writing 1 factor. Here also 7 into 11 is equal to 77. Now here you have learned how to find the square root of a number by prime factorization method. That is, you have to see that the number, whether it is divisible by 2 first, and 1764 is divisible by 2. That if you divide, you will get 882. Next again it is divisible by 2, that is 2 into 441 is 882. It is not divisible by 2 because the number is not ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the next prime number is 3 1s are 3, and then 3 4s are 12, and 3 7s are 21. Again it is 3 4s are 12, and then 2 3 9s are. To check whether it is correct or not, you have to multiply these two and you can check the answer. That is 7 7s are 49. Find all the factors and make the pairs, and instead of 2 factors you write 1 factors. And in the next one also, 5929, it is not divisible by 2 because it is number is not ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and it is not divisible by 3 because when you add all these, the number, sum of the digits is not divisible by 3. Then the next number is 5. It is not divisible by 5 because it is not ending with 0 or 5. Then next one is 7. 7 8s are, that you can check in the working column by dividing it, and if you can divide in the mind straight away, you can do it. And then square root of 5929 is that is, you got 7 into 7, 11 into 11 as the factors. Instead of 2 7 you are writing 1 7, and instead of 2 11 you are writing 1 11 7s are 77. And this is one of the methods. And one more method is there, that is called finding the square root of a number by long division method. Here you can find the square root only for the perfect squares, but by long division method you can find the square root of all the numbers, that is for decimals also you can find the square root. Okay, thank you for watching, and in the next video you will learn long division method to find the square root. Thank you.